Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hadin kejing pasange jong ke yeng syari ke bahak ledo jong kari India ke Supreme Court ban penyeso yu Aadhaar number syaki bank account bat mobile number kelembu porsho henne kasngi ke kendai trik ulber ke kenhon Meghalaya People's Committee on Aadhaar hapok kejing lam jong pastor PBM Basaimon kila penpau kejing sungu ya ke yeng syari Supreme Court ya kejing pasange ban ling yu Aadhaar hakino jing nong kam jiki pai ba ki baki ha ban penbet penbiang baki dolar jongki kane kan hon klapen paru bahadu menta kila den komba kasan spa ngot tam ki breu na kane ke jela jongi ki bamon ban weng no ya ke jingshon ya Aadhaar kini kirang ba kila karparu ya ki pai ba ban yaisha ya kara jong ke yeng bisar ke ba kle do kare ban kero na ka jingsio pisa sakitu ki breu ki bawan ha ka kerteng jong kaseng namar kaseng kam don kti eru em ban lum pisa henry ka de kaseng ka batrai na ka benta ka ba kamiat jong pai ba.
As you know, from our side, we had filed affidavit, Reverend Pushtu and myself, 2 affidavits on behalf of those who want to opt out of enroll Aadhaar due to various reasons, and they would like to divorce the relationship with Aadhaar if we use another term. And that also has been pleaded in the Supreme Court, and that also will be come out in the final ruling. And we would like also to express here that the fear of the people on Aadhaar, or regarding Aadhaar, you have seen 2 events that happened recently. One is that people began to fear, and so they left their homes and their villages. There's a fear psychosis, and then so many people, at least I know in 2 constituencies, hundreds of people did not go for